That does it for our material on the group by transform method. Here is a summary. So the generic syntax looks like this. df.groupby, put your grouping column in quotes. You can group by multiple columns with a list like this. Then select the column that you're going to transform with quotes, or if you're transforming multiple columns, use a list of strings. Then do dot transform and then your function. So your function can either be a built-in pandas aggregation, which you can use a quoted string, or a custom function, which you just put the name of it like this. So yes, your custom function will accept the group as a series. So you have to know that you're going to be dealing with a series. And your function must either return a single value or a series the same length as the group. The final object, the final pandas object that is returned always has the same number of values as the original. So even if you are performing an aggregation, that aggregation will be repeated for every value in the group.